Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another sample for you for Bantu knots, and so I'll take you a process where you get to know how to do them or how to tie them at least for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so I'll be using this braid. It's the same as expression. I'll have to cut it into 2 parts this way, and I'll be using this whole gel or this one, edge gel, and rubber bands, this one here. And so the process begins. So I'll be using this one to part. So I'll start by parting here behind or here at the back. Then I have to hold it first. Then I have to part again in the middle that way. I'll just do 9 or 10 of them. Then I have to hold it again, and then I'll start from front. I have to part the front one into 4 parts. So these two, I have to fold one with rubber bands, and then the other one also like that until I finish. I'm just smoothing with the edge gel, just a little bit of edge gel. Then I have to tie with rubber band. That way. So this side the same way. If you like, you can do a little bit more. Okay, you can do more than this. Let me say front part you can put like 5, and then in the middle you can put 4, and then at the back you can put like 3. It will still come out good. Okay, so that is it, and it's very simple, very simple. So I'm using these 2 strands of braid and a crochet, this one here. So I lay first my crochet and then I pull it like that to the other side. You have to remove it carefully without messing up. Yeah, so this way, and then I'll also do the other way round. I have to put just a little strand across. It's good when you lock first before you pull. So that way. As you can see, these strands are not the same size. The middle one, I have to hold them all together like this, and then so I can start plaiting that way. So you can see it's a nice design. You can also use just to do the normal braids or box braids. It will still come out good, see. So this one is still also the same process. I start first with the big strand. And then I have to levelize them. And then I have to put the other one across it that way. Then I have to pick with my needle or with my crochet, then like that. So this one is a little bit thin, so I have to part the hair that way into 3 parts. Then I have to hold the middle one together like that, and then I will start braiding it, just as simple as you see it, right? So guys, this one you can just leave them the way they are if you like them, but the main aim was to make Bantu knots. But when you reach there and then you see like, oh, they are good, then you cannot continue with rolling them or folding them, then you can just leave them like that and then you're ready to go also. But we have to do the Bantu knots. You have to roll them in that manner. Is it rolling or folding them? We have to fold them in such manner. Very simple and very easy. Yeah, in fact this style is not complicated, it's just simple. The only part that can maybe give you a thought is whereby they will move, and to prevent the moving or the coming out, you have to use your needle and then you make it to be firm. And so you just have to fold it, and after folding it you can just pick a needle. See, like this one here is coming out, so I'm using my needle to make it firm. When you make them firm, they look also good, and then they last longer or for a long period. So after you've folded them, you can use a needle to tie them up so it stays firm. Okay, good. So it's ready to go for a week or two, and so you can rock a style. So thank you so much for watching and for your support. Bye bye.